the Night Owl Home Sleep Study device by Virtuox. Quick and convenient. The process is very simple. I'll explain to you step by step exactly how it works, how you get the test, how you get the results, and how you get the machine that you need, okay? And so I find it very convenient and simple that you don't need to go into a sleep study in a facility. You sleep overnight in a tube with wires connected to your chest and your head, and you're being monitored all night long. On the other end of the spectrum, other home sleep studies, you get a bulky device at home. You got to strap something on your chest and sleep, which makes it more uncomfortable. And so this device here, the Night Owl, is small and simple, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to go to sleeplay.com. You're going to purchase the Night Owl device. Once you do that, they're going to send you an email, okay, to schedule a consult with the physician. We handle everything for you, okay? Once you handle the consult or schedule that, you will have the consult with the doctor. Once you have the consult, they'll send you an activation code with other instructions. Okay, now the activation codes are going to be for the Night Owl Companion app. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download the Night Owl Companion app. Once the app is downloaded, you'll go ahead and press I have an activation code. That activation code will be sent by the doctor, so you'll have the activation code available. Once you enter the activation code, you're going to agree to the terms and policies, enter a little bit more personal information, and you're good to go with the app. The next step is you're going to grab the package that you received, the Night Owl. You're going to open it up here. The instructions are here in case you need them. And then you're going to go ahead and remove the Night Owl device, okay? And then you also have 10 finger straps with adhesive on them to hold the device on place. I'll explain how to do that. I'll show you in a moment, okay? You're going to need to pair your Night Owl device. In order to do so, there's a white side and a blue side to the device. What you'll do is you'll press and hold the blue button on the front until the red light starts flashing. Once it starts flashing, hit Start Connect in the app. Once paired, you'll click Next. Wearing the device, the first thing you're going to do is remove one of the finger straps. You're going to peel back the plastic, exposing the adhesive on the strap. Next thing you'll do is take the actual sleep device. The white side will go onto the adhesive, okay? And the sensor will be exposed, okay? You're going to place the blue exposed sensor onto your finger. Next, you'll peel the rest of the plastic off the back of the strap, exposing the adhesive. You'll grab the end of it and you'll wrap it around your finger, okay, securely. Not too tight, but you want to secure on there so it stays on. Once those steps are completed, press Start Recording in the app to begin. Once you wake up, press Wake Up on the app to upload the recording and stop the test. The app will ask you a few questions, answer, and press Submit. Within minutes, your information and all the data will be uploaded to your physician. Once the sleep physician receives your sleep study report, they'll review the information and be in contact with us. At that time, a SleepPlay team member will contact you to review the results and go over the different options of machines. We hope this step-by-step instruction helps show you how easy and simple it can be to use a Night Owl sleep study. Once you've chosen a machine with your sleep specialist, you'll be on your way to a better night's sleep.